What's going on, guys? So I'm sure you can tell by the title of this video, I am either selling or have sold Earl.
Boys, we in a new whip.
I'm not sure when I'll post this video, but I just listed it on Facebook for sale. A little high if I do say so, but I have or best offer on there. Trucks are out of control expensive right now, so I figured shoot high, we'll see what we get. I don't know, we'll see. But yes, Earl is gonna be going, another OBS gone. And there's a couple different reasons, I'll get into that in a minute, but I've been slaving out here, washing this thing, getting it cleaned up for pictures. So we'll do a little walk around. It looks absolutely amazing in pictures and videos. There's, you know, she's got some dents and scratches and some of the paint's not perfect, whatever the case. I can't help it, it looks absolutely great on camera and pictures. I can't help it, all right? It is what it is. I don't even know how long it'll take to sell this thing. I'm thinking maybe pretty quick, hopefully. That would be the best. I'd be pretty stoked if we sold it in, you know, within the week. Interior cleaned up really good. It's over 20 years old, man. What do you expect? I'm too picky, like I said. That's really the only downside on the inside is that guy right there. I mean, hey, she's pretty clean, but there's a couple different reasons why. And I guess the main one is, I guess I've just gotten to a point in my life where extended cab trucks are just no longer useful to me. And unfortunately, think I'm gonna have to be in a four-door truck no matter what. Even though these are project trucks, this and Larry. Larry's staying, so if you're a Larry fan, don't sweat. I'm always keeping Larry.
Nice.
The couple grand I could probably get for Larry is not worth getting rid of it. I'll always keep Larry. Don't take that offensive, all my OBS guys. I love OBSs, but personally, this is not the truck that I want to keep forever, so it's going to a new home. But I really got to thinking about this because my truck, my Trail Boss, has had the bumpers off of it for 2 weeks now, and I've been royally screwed. I can't take either one of these because I have Knox coming with me most days to work. Instead of Earl sitting here and wasting away, I would rather sell it to somebody that can, you know, start the project themselves, fix it up, do whatever they want with it, instead of it just sitting here and me driving it every once in a while just when I do videos. It's kind of sad to do that, but basically, I've been on the hunt for a four-door Chevrolet or GMC for a long time now. Y'all have seen me talk about it in a couple of videos or whatever. I actually, yesterday, me and Gear went to look at a 2004 GMC Sierra crew cab. It actually had a cam, long tubes. It was lowered, four-wheel drive. Sick truck, if you know what truck I'm talking about or you see it on Facebook or something. No ill will towards the guy. The owner is super cool. But we got there, and you know, once again, dude, paint was not good like the other cat eyes that we looked at. This was GMC, but the cat eyes in the other video were not good. And when I say not good, like you're saying, oh, they're older trucks, so like you can't expect them to be good. Earl and Larry's paint are better than these trucks that I'm going to see. That wasn't the main issue, but I did test drive it. It was cool. Didn't really know what to expect as far as how fast it was, but it was way slower than my Trail Boss, which I get. It's a 6.2, it's got a 10 speed, it's a brand new truck, I get it, but I don't really know. I mean, the truck was sick, I just didn't fall in love with it, so I ended up not getting it. That was my first time in like a 1500 four-door, up close and personal experiencing it, and I love it. I absolutely love it. I want one to daily drive, and I've been looking for a stock one because I want to do a full build with it, you know, exterior, interior, and engine build on the truck. So I'm looking for a stock one. Obviously, trucks are hard to find right now, so that's what I'm going through, but driving that truck and everything, it definitely made me 100% positive I want a 4-door Silverado or Sierra. I've got a set budget that I want to stay in, but if I sell Earl, maybe I'll throw that money on top of that budget. So, because trucks are crazy right now, and but I need one, and I want one now. So I know a lot of y'all wanted to see more content with Earl because y'all got similar trucks or just identical trucks, but we had fun with it. I've enjoyed Earl. It's been cool. Y'all been on the journey. You know, another one bites the dust. Even the 2007 to 13 trucks are similarly priced to Cat Eyes right now, which is bizarre. So who knows? I just know it's got to be 4-door and probably Chevrolet or GMC, because that's really the age that I'm looking at buying the trucks that I like. So anyways, Copper is freaking out. Dang, Copper, you been digging? Well, I definitely did not anticipate picking the camera back up to finish this video off this soon, because I ended off the last clip, went home, took a shower, looked at my phone, and I've got a bunch of messages. So Earl was on Facebook for literally like an hour, and supposedly there's a guy coming to get it. So I started high with my price in hopes that they would hit me right where I want to sell it at, and that is in fact the case that is happening. So I'm good with selling it. You know, it's going to be sad to see Earl go, but like I've said, I just don't have enough time in my life now to have a vehicle that I cannot hop in and drive and work on and do all of that at the same time. Earl is loaded up, ready to go. I actually gotta go back to my house and get the title because I forgot. But we got the old saw blades in here. We got the stock spindles, lift blocks. I think that's everything that I was supposed to get, hopefully. But yeah, I know there's gonna be some people sad to see Earl go. But maybe have another OBS sometime, but I definitely will get 4-wheel drive because there's only so much you can do with the 2-wheel drives, and like I said, it's not something I can drive every day. So anyways, that's enough rambling. He's on the way. I gotta go get the title, gonna go meet him, and then Earl is gonna be gone, dude. So put your respect in the chat. Rest in peace, Earl, going to its new home. But we'll see. If all else fails, I'll update y'all if the guy backs out or something. I don't know why he would, but anyways, that's gonna be about it, guys. I'll see y'all in the next one. There goes Earl. Going to a new home. Hope he enjoys it. Hope it's perfect forever for him. On to the next, my dudes.